Crispy chicken Zinger burger. Ingredients: 4th chicken for boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste. For breading, 1 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. For assembling, for burger buns, lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, pickles. Instructions: marinate thickening. Cut each chicken breast in half horizontally to create thinner fillets. In a bowl, mix buttermilk, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Place the chicken fillets in the buttermilk marinade, ensuring they're fully coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, preferably longer for more flavor. Preparing breading quinoa. Shallow dish. Mix flour, baking powder, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Remove the marinated chicken from the buttermilk, letting excess drip off. Dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour mixture, ensuring an even coating. Press the breading onto the chicken for a crispy texture. Place breaded chicken on a wire rack and let it rest for 10–15 minutes to set the coating. Frying the chicken, heat oil in a deep fryer or a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 F175 C. Carefully place the breaded chicken fillets into the hot oil, working in batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry for 5–6 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the oil and place on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Assembling the burger, toast burger buns lightly. Place lettuce leaves on the bottom half of the bun, followed by a slice of tomato, onion rings, and pickles. Put the crispy chicken fillet on top. Spread your favorite sauce, mayo, spicy mayo, or a special sauce on the top half of the bun. Carefully bring the burger together and secure it with a skewer if needed. Serving suggestion: serve chicken Zinger burgers with fries, coleslaw, or a side salad. Pair with your favorite dipping sauce for an extra flavor kick. Pro tips: for an extra kick, add a dash of hot sauce to the buttermilk marinade. Double coat the chicken by dipping it back into the buttermilk and breading mixture for an even crispier texture. For a healthier alternative, bake the breaded chicken fillets in the oven at 400 F20 until golden brown and cooked through. This recipe is bound to be a crowd pleaser with its crispy chicken and flavorful assembly. Remember, presentation matters, so make those colors pop on camera.